Getting the fail to save item error while using Airdrop on your iPhone. This could be caused by permission settings, file format problems, or storage issues. Here's a simple guide to help you fix the error step by step. Solution 1. Check iPhone storage. If your iPhone is low on storage, it might fail to save incoming Airdrop files. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Check your available storage. If storage is low, delete unneeded files or apps to free up space. After freeing up storage, try using Airdrop again. Solution 2. Change Airdrop settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Select Airdrop. Choose Everyone for 10 minutes to make Airdrop visible and available to all nearby Apple devices. Check if Airdrop now appears in Control Center or Settings. Now restart your iPhone and check again. Solution 3. Restart the receiving app. If the error occurs with a specific app, restarting it may fix the issue. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. Swipe up on the app where the file should save, like photos or files, to close it. Reopen the app and try using Airdrop again. Solution 4. Update iOS. Outdated software can cause errors with Airdrop's file saving features. Go to Settings, tap on General, tap on Software Update. If an update is available, update it. After updating, test Airdrop again to see if the issue is resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the fail to save item error in Airdrop on your iPhone. If this guide helped, stay tuned for more iPhone troubleshooting tips.